I lowered it onto the locks.
Yeah,
now I can't raise it again.
Yeah. And we gotta get oh, this shit. We gotta get some substitute power here now.
That's it.
Huh?
Substitute power.
Yes.
Substitute mechanic, and we do it. Be good.
It cuts here. And then, okay.
You push it in a little. Yeah. There we go.
Yeah.
That's it. Now I know why you're here.
Forward to the people. You're doing a good job there.
Stuck.
I do my part out here already.
Yeah. Where's your tool? Thank you. Don't work.
Man, you good?
I gotta get a pair of pliers.
No good?
Nah.
Need pliers?
Huh?
Need pliers?
Yeah.
Maybe you gotta take out a couple more too.
You push it right there. Yeah, push.
Push?
Push.
You?
Yep. More.
Good?
Yep. One more.
One more?
Yeah, push it right there. A little more. Yeah, push it more over here. A little more. There you go. Push it there.
What happened to this?
Push it here. You gotta push. Push here.
Oh, push here.
There you go.
You got one more stuck here. Yeah, you're stuck on it now.
Yeah.
In there.
I know. It's on your side. There you go.
You got it?
One right here. Get your tool in there. Push it down. Okay. Very good. Thank you.
That's a dirty window.
There's another one.
You gotta put in there, please. In here.
There's one right here. You pull the nail out?
No, I can't get it over.
No, alright, I'm gonna pull the nail out.
Yeah?
It's alright, it's alright.